Hello, my name is Will Engel, and today I'm going to be discussing the section called LOTR in the computer age. So today I'm going to be talking about the effects of the internet before the release of the three LOTR films. The main issue that the directors and producers faced when making these films was maintaining the current LOTR fan base and further expanding it to a larger audience. They had to find a way to intrigue their potential audiences. They struggled a lot in finding a way to balance the films in a way to make it entertaining to both children and adults, hardcore LOTR fans, and newcomers. The long-living LOTR fans had always wanted a movie and were quite excited when they found out it was happening. However, most were scared because they didn't want the movies to ruin their perfect LOTR experience. This public feedback was quite useful for the producers and directors. They decided to use a relatively new strategy in revealing these movies by finding small ways in which the fans could interact with the process. By having accidental leaks, and very short teaser trailers and merchandise with hidden gems from the movies, the fans would spam the internet with positive or negative feedback that gave the people behind the scene the ability to do their best to perfect the films to the liking of their very devoted fans and the people who had never even heard of it before.